Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox Browser on Sony Xperia 5 Mark V. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Firefox and click search, and now click install. Now click open, and here you can make your Firefox your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to quickly switch between devices, or you can click not now. And now you can turn on notifications, or you can click not now. So that's it, now your Firefox browser is set up. If you like this video, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.